Is tomato a fruit? Dr. Andres Martinez knows this and helps us to learn more about it. Eat fruits and vegetables is a well-known phrase used in commercials and media, but do we really know the difference between them? The parts of the plant that we use for food are roots, leaves, stems, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Plants, like animals and other multicellular living beings, have organs or parts that work together to allow them to meet all their requirements and vital functions. Let's start by explaining the difference between fruit and fruit. A fruit is the part of the fruit that we eat, that is, the fertilized ovary that the plant creates around the seed or seeds. In other words, we eat the pulp or fleshy part, colloquially known as fruit, and we usually call anything sweet, like bananas, peaches, mangoes, pineapples, watermelons, papayas, melons, apples, plums, cherries, guavas, strawberries, among others, fruits. All fruits have seeds without exception, even if they are not sweet, for example, avocado, cucumber, zucchini, chili, and of course, tomato. Therefore, the fruit is important because it always has a reproductive function in the plant. In addition to these terms, there are others that may be useful to know. For example, berries are a type of fruit with edible pulp and seeds surrounded by a thin and hard skin, such as blueberries and grapes. Drupes are another type of fruit with fleshy pulp and a hard seed inside, such as peaches and avocados. Citrus fruits are a group of fruits that include oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and mandarins, among others. As for vegetables, it is a broader term that refers to any edible part of a plant that is not sweet. This includes leaves such as lettuce, spinach, chard, purslane, and cabbage. Stems such as celery, sugarcane, asparagus, radish, bamboo, and cinnamon. Roots such as carrot, beetroot, ginger, as well as bulbs and tubers such as onion, garlic, potato, and sweet potato. We also consume flowers from the plant, such as hibiscus, pumpkin, cauliflower, broccoli, and in some cases parts of their flower, such as the stigmas and styles of saffron, or the dried flower buds of cloves that have not yet opened. These two last ones are used as spices. In some cases, we use the dried buds of unopened flower cloves as spices. The spices we use to give flavor and smell to our food preparations are usually leaves and stems, such as basil, coriander, lemongrass, dill, mint, peppermint, laurel, marjoram, parsley, rosemary, thyme, as well as seeds. On the other hand, legumes are a family of plants that include peas, lentils, beans, and chickpeas, among others. Legumes are dry seeds found inside pods. We also have grains, which are practically seeds, and other seeds not considered grains, such as nuts, peanuts, almonds, coconuts, etc. In summary, fruit refers to the edible part of a plant that surrounds the seeds, while the fruit is the structure that contains them. Vegetables are any other edible part of a plant that is not sweet, and legumes are dry seeds found inside pods. Now we know a little more about how to differentiate some parts of the plants we consume, and we can conclude that the tomato is a fruit. Interesting, isn't it?